Hello and welcome back everybody. Here's how you can turn an image into a generated video using AI using Runway. So create an account to log in. Then you can, click on generate video. And then let's say if you want to have this picture as the one that we will generate the animation of. And then wait until it's uploaded. And then you can write the prompt. For example, this guy is facing right, and do some pose, as easy as that, and then generate it when you're done. Change it into Gen 2 and then generate. And then when it's done, it will look like this. As written in the prompt, this guy is facing right, and he's doing some pose just like this. And that's how you can turn an image into an animated image using Runway. That's the platform, so that you can generate videos out of an image using AI. Thank you for watching, guys. Do drop a like if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe. For me, it's good day. Ciao.